Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to activate KeyBank credit card. It is a very simple step. Firstly, open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you have to simply search www.key.com. You will be now lead to the home page of KeyBank. And at the right side, you can see the box where you can see the option sign on. You have to click over there. In case if you don't have your KeyBank account, then make sure to enroll first. Here you can see the option enroll in online banking. You have to click over there and they will be guiding you further to create your KeyBank account. Now, if you have your user ID and your password, simply enter your user ID at the first. After you are done entering your user ID, simply enter your password. In case if you want your user ID to be remembered for the next time you log into your KeyBank account, you can simply click on this option. And if you are having trouble logging into your account, then you can click on problem signing in option and they will be guiding you further to get your account back. Now, if you have your credential ready, then you can simply click on sign on and you will be signed on or logged into your KeyBank account. After that, you have to find activate my KeyBank button. After you click on it, your KeyBank credit card will be activated. And this is how simply you can activate KeyBank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.